All right. So some of the things that were tucked away under the edit menu and the tools menu up for services is now over here on the left-hand side under service maintenance. So setting up your dealership customer information, again, security permissions rule the world. You may not have access to this. Warranty companies, you can add warranty companies right from here. Your canned jobs, adding and modifying canned jobs moved out of that edit menu, and they are over here on the left side. Same thing with repair codes, again, also moved out from over there. The recalculation, again, security permissions, you may not have that access. The voiding old appointments, you can do also from here. Other cashier things, if you are taking payments on account, if you need to open or close your cash drawer. Now, the first time that you access the cash drawer, it will ask you to open it. And if you are sharing a cash drawer with other users, it will let you know that the cash drawer may already be opened by somebody else and you will be sharing that. If you've made changes, the little history over here will actually show a record of those changes per day. So I haven't made any changes in the last week, but it will show a change records per day. That concludes the webinar for changeover from Infinity to Motility Anywhere and a highlight of the different screens and options.